Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleach and customize this front lace wig from ROSELOVER here on Aliexpress. No, this is not a paid promotion. I actually really loved how this wig came out. This is my first time ordering from this company. I think I ordered on Friday and got the wig on about maybe Tuesday or Wednesday around that time. But the shipping was fast, communication was really good, and I really have no complaints. Okay, so a few things that I love about this unit is that it has a very decent amount of parting space in the middle, and the curl pattern when it's wet is so amazing. I would suggest that you use like Cantu leave-in conditioner because that was the best thing that worked for me out of all the things. So yeah. Now that we have the wig secured and the hair away from it, we're going to go ahead and grab all the tools that we're going to need, which is the mixing bowl, your applicator brush, some gloves, a full paper, powdered bleach, and your developer. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and put 2 scoops of the bleach. Now when it comes to the developer, I don't normally measure it. I just eye it because I've been bleaching hair, for so long. So I just eye it, and I would say I normally count to 5, and depending on the consistency that I'm going for, I'll do that about 2 to 3 times until I get that good texture. We don't want it too liquidy because then it will seep through the lace onto the hair, and even though there's many ways to fix that, we want to prevent that from happening so that you don't have to go through all the corrections and all that other stuff. Okay, so before we start to apply the bleach, we want to pluck away any strands of hair that we see sticking through the frontal. Now, once we do start to apply, you want to use a very gentle motion. Like, you don't want to press down when applying the bleach onto the frontal because then it's going to start to seep through. And you want to make sure you're moving at a steady pace because you don't want one side to start processing before the other side, and then you're going to have to go through correcting that once again. Now that we're all done applying, we're going to let that sit for 10 minutes and then I'll get back to you with the results. Here are the results. As you can see, it did seep through a little bit in the hairline area right there, but that's nothing I'm worried about. It's definitely going to blend in with my skin tone a little bit better. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it back to the dome head and get ready to customize. Now when customizing, you want to separate a little bit of hair in the front just to give you like a little bit of guideline to where you'll be plucking at. Now when plucking, you don't want to be too precise. I would say a half an inch to an inch apart is fine. Now guys, I am not a professional plucker as of yet. This is just how I do things and it works for me, so hopefully it works out for you as well. So you're just going to continue to do that around the hairline and the section that you already parted out. And I'm going to show you coming up there, we're going to part out a second section and customize and pluck through there so it can give it more of a natural, flatter look. Okay, so this is the final results video wise. I did go ahead and plug this frontal way more once I applied it to my head. I'm going to insert some clips at the end of this video showing you guys how it look wet versus dry. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.